Hey guys, Paul here with Moto Ventures. Thought I'd give you guys a quick look at a bike that we've got in today. Looking at some top end repair, engine repair, and just to show you some of the stuff that can happen, with improperly maintained bikes or improperly rebuilt engines, and just show you the kind of damage that can happen. This guy here is looking at probably a complete motor replacement, engine cases, the whole ball of wax. We had a real catastrophic failure on this guy, so just thought you'd like to check it out, see what happens sometimes inside these motors when they really let go. And as we look down inside here, you can see that that piston is about half gone. And yeah, we got some major damage. I got valve pieces sitting in the bottom down there. Everything is toast. And over here we got our head off, and we can see that the head is missing two valve heads completely. The other two are smashed and wedged in there. Just utterly destroyed the head, everything. Snapped the cam chain. This thing really did a number when this decided to come apart. And I'm going to guess that we had a valve that dropped down, as guy said he was riding at speed, and all of a sudden it just locked up on him. So unfortunately, this is the tough part of motocross sometimes, is dealing with bikes that come apart. One of the best things you do is keep it maintained, rebuild on a regular basis like it's supposed to be done to keep it at top performance, and also save you from having major problems like this. If you need something like this, feel free to give us a shout out and connect with us, and we'd like to get you taken care of. Talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.